In this video, we are going to talk about the basic concept of the sales. The sales area is fundamental to the success of any business. It is through sales that a business is able to generate revenue and keep its operation running. To achieve good results in this area, it is important to understand some basic sales concept. In this video, we will explore some of them. The first one is know your product or service. Before you start selling, it is essential to know deeply about the product or service you are offering. This includes understanding its features, benefits, differentials, and also possible objections that customer may have. The more you know about what you are selling, the more confident you will be in communicating that information to your prospective customer. The second concept of the sales is know your target audience. Another important point is to know your target audience. Who are the people most likely to be interested in your product or service? What are your needs and wants? What are the communication channels they use? You have to know this. By understanding your target audience, you will be able to target your sales strategies more effectively. The third basic concept of the sales is develop communication skills. Communication is one of the main tools of a salesman. It is important to know how to express yourself clearly, objectively, and persuasively. In addition, it is essential to know how to listen carefully to the customer, identifying their needs and offering suitable solutions. Developing communication skills is essential for establishing good relationships with customers and closing sales. The fourth concept is build a customer relationship. Sales is not just a business transaction. It is important to create a lasting relationship with the customer, seeking to understand their needs and offering personalized service. This helps to build customer loyalty and generate referrals for new business. After all, a satisfied customer is the best advertisement of a company because they can get you a lot of referrals from their word of mouth. And the most best source of your advertisement, your marketing, the process of capturing the trust of the customer is word of mouth. If you are saying that this product, this service is best to the another person, they will surely trust you because they know you have already used, you have bought that product, and they will surely try to buy your product. They will surely try to reach to your company. So you have to focus on building the last longing customer relationship. This is the precious, most valuable asset for your company. The last concept in the sales you need to know that every salesperson need to know is track sales metric. To assess the effectiveness of your sales strategies, it is important to track sales metric. This includes the number of sales made, average sales value, average closing time, among other indicators. By analyzing these metrics, you will be able to identify points of improvement and adjust your strategies to obtain better results. These are the just few basic sales concepts, but they can make all the difference in a salesperson success. It is important to always be updated and seek to improve your skills in this area, as the sales techniques are constantly evolving. With dedication and knowledge, it is possible to become a successful seller. Let's end this video. Thank you.